5 ways to reduce bloating. How often do you hear someone say, "I am so bloated," or "I ate so much my stomach hurts"? Every day? A few times a week? Chances are you hear it and experience it more often than you would like. In the meantime, here are 5 tips you can start to use to alleviate your bloat. These 5 tips can make a huge impact in your digestion. Number 1. Drink more water. Drinking water throughout the day is key to having a well-functioning digestive system. Certified health coach Robin Euclid said it best: if your poop is a boat, how can it travel without a full, flowing river? Start your day off with a large glass of lemon water. Lemons help your body remove toxins, and the water will help push along anything you have in your system so you can have a bowel movement early in the day. If you are someone who has trouble remembering to drink water, download an app such as Daily Water to track your water intake. Number 2. Slow down. Too many people eat on the go or multitask when they are eating. Nothing will keep you as disconnected from your digestion as this. Digestion starts in the mouth. Chewing is where your body produces the enzymes it needs to absorb and digest your food. Focus on chewing at least 30 times per chew. Obviously this won't happen all the time, but challenge yourself to do this at least once a day to start, and take away all distractions as you eat. Be present with your food and make eating a meditative, sensory experience. What does your food look like? How does it smell? What does it taste like? This will allow your body to process what it is eating and know when it is full and ready to stop. Number 3. Eat whole foods and fermented foods. Eating whole foods and fermented foods will naturally improve your digestion over time. Whole foods such as vegetables, especially leafy greens, legumes, fruit, and fermented foods such as sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, kefir, and miso provide our gut with a diverse array of healthy bacteria that improve digestion and immune function. By focusing on crowding in lots of veggies, whole unprocessed foods, and fermented foods, you will naturally start to crowd out the processed snacks, sugars, and refined carbohydrates that are wreaking havoc in your gut. Number 4. Rule out food allergens. There are some foods that might cause inflammation in the gut. Common irritants are sugar, gluten, dairy, and caffeine. We all have unique digestive systems, and therefore what is irritating for one person might be fine for another. Number 5. Get more activity. Whether you enjoy afternoon strolls, a bike ride around the neighborhood, or hitting the gym, it's true that getting more activity can help you reduce bloating. But you don't have to get extreme in your workouts for it to do the trick. Even yoga, walking, or light exercise can help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.